If your Valorant is giving you the HVCI enabled error, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and easy steps to fix it. Just follow each step carefully. First, we're going to head into your Windows settings. Go to the Windows search bar and type Settings. When it appears, click on the Settings app to open it. On the left side, choose Privacy and Security, then tap on Windows Security at the top. Now, under the Protection Area section, click Device Security. Here, you'll see a section called Core Isolation. Go ahead and click Core Isolation Details. Once you're inside, look for the option called Memory Integrity. If it's turned off, simply toggle it on. This helps Windows secure your system and can resolve the HVCI issue for Valorant. But if you don't see memory integrity at all, that means your hardware virtualization is disabled. Don't worry, there are a lot of tutorials showing you exactly how to turn it on. You can simply search for it on YouTube. After that, make sure to restart your PC. A reboot is important so Windows can apply the new security settings properly. Once your computer turns back on, go ahead and open Valorant again and check if the HVCI enabled error is gone. And that's it. After completing these steps, your Valorant issue should be fully fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips.